that they are going to use COVID to stop the election. You thought I was joking. Today, what are they doing? Go to the page of Ministry of Health and see how they are mentioning things that does not exist. No, out of 11,000 people tested, 3,000 have tested negative. Where are the 3,000? Where was the test conducted? These are the questions that you are going to ask yourself. And no one is asking this question. When they discover that the COVID is not working, what did they do? They brought violence. It was Edgar Lungu and the PF that were busy sending their cadres to go and attack UPND so that the road show could stop. Why? Because they were saying Hakainde Hichilema is not popular. Hakainde Hichilema, until he started coming out on the road and discovered that people of Zambia have decided to fall in love with HH. Immediately they discovered that people of Zambia has fallen in love. What did they do? They sent their cadres to say anywhere they go and disturb them. So that because of this violence that is taking place, ECZ, Electoral Commission of Zambia is going to say there will be no more roadshow. After they have suspended the roadshow, the next thing that is about to happen, take this thing that I'm telling you today very serious, because they have, in the first place, ECZ, before you suspend the roadshow, you were supposed to ask yourself a question. You were supposed to do investigation. Police of Zambia, you were supposed to do yourself, you are supposed to investigate and ask yourself, who are the people responsible for the violence? You discover that it's PF. And remember the broadcast I gave long time ago, I think it was last year. I said, this time around, when the PF will rise up, PF cadres will rise up and think that this is how it used to be, people of Zambia will join UPND cadres and the PF will be beaten. What is happening today? The road show is suspended, not because there is a problem anywhere, not because there is chaos anywhere, just because PF have discovered that on the ground, HH is very popular and they have lost the election. I can tell you that I have the report, 3 good times report from the office of the president, OP intelligent officers, telling him that you are not going to win this election. That is why he's trying everything possible to stop this election. I'm telling you, I'm not talking from without. I'm coming. I'm not talking from without. I know what I'm talking about. From office of the president, I've given him 3 good reports telling him that you are not going to win this election. Things are bad. Nurses are crying. Teachers are crying. People who are working in the council, they are crying. Many people, everyone is crying. Then who is going to vote for Edgar Lungu? Is it the little rigging tactics that is planning that we are not going to allow to happen? So that he has discovered that he's not going to win this election. So he's trying everything possible to suspend it. If this election has to go through, all the people of Zambia must rise up and say, instead of us to wait for August, and you say COVID is too much, so therefore let's postpone the election. Let us have early election. Let Edgar Lungu call election for next month. Because you have the capacity. You can have an early election. What is important is that election must prevail. I'm telling you the gospel truth. Election must, but they don't want that to happen. They don't want that to happen. I told you before. Now, coming to the issue of Chishimba Kambui.